Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to teach you how you can align objects and items in your presentations on Miro. This is especially useful when you want your slides or whiteboard to look clean, balanced, and professional, whether you're designing a workflow, organizing sticky notes, or creating a polished presentation. So let's dive into this, alright? First, navigate to your presentation or board in Miro. As you can see, I'm already on my board here with these shapes, for example, these text boxes. Now, if you'd like to align them, let me go with this example here, these two shapes. What you want to do is left-click into the first one, then press and hold the Shift key on your keyboard and select the second object, just like that. By holding Shift, you can select multiple objects at once, which is really handy when arranging larger layouts. Once you've selected them, you'll notice a menu bar appear at the top of your Miro workspace. Among these tools, you'll find the Align Objects feature. This is what we'll use. Click into it, and you can choose your favorite alignment option, for example, left, centered, or right alignment. You can also do the same for vertical alignment, aligning objects to the top, middle, or bottom of your selection. Let me show you each one of them. That's left alignment, centered, and here's the bottom alignment, and so on and so forth. Now, of course, guys, you can apply this to as many items as you like, not just two. So let me left-click into this one, press and hold Shift, select the second one, and then also select this box here. Now, when we click into the alignment menu, we can choose our favorite option, for example, Align to the top, and as you can see, these objects instantly snap into position along that same border. That's how it works, guys. Just a quick tip. If you want your elements to stay perfectly organized, you can also use Miro's Smart Guides, which automatically show you when objects are aligned as you move them. This is great for fine-tuning your layout without manually adjusting each element. You can also use the Distribute option found next to the Align tool to evenly space out multiple items, ideal for building consistent diagrams or presentation slides. And one more bonus. If you're working with a team, aligned and neatly organized objects make your board easier to read and collaborate on, especially during live workshops or meetings. Thanks for watching! Hope you enjoyed this video, got some real value from it, and learned something new about keeping your Miro boards neat and professional. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. We post new Miro and tech productivity tutorials every week. We'll see you next time on our channel. Happy designing!